The sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Ah, yes. Mr. Sinclair, welcome. So nice to have you. Commodore. Yes, sorry, Commodore. So, my name is Dr. Frankenheshschteiner, and I am here with Next Level Pro Wrestling. They've asked me to do a complete psychological workup of everybody on the Next Level Pro Wrestling roster, just for insurance purposes, of course, yes. And thank you for joining me. What we're going to do here is I'm going to do some quick word association with you, if I could. I would just like to say a word. A word, and you just give me the first word that comes back to you in your brain, and you tell me, and I will write it down. See, Next Level Pro Wrestling needs to make sure that everybody can fulfill the minimum standards for, competency and sanity and just overall mental health for everybody on the roster. And it's just a procedural thing. So, yeah, I'm sure you understand. Wait. You're doing this on everybody? Like even Devin Danger? Like that guy is batshit crazy. You know that, right? Like he thinks he's a pirate. You heard that? Yes, I am aware, Mr. Sinclair.
Commodore.
Sorry, Commodore of Mr. Danger. Yes, he's really something. So anyway, we were going to begin with a little word association. I'm going to say a word. I would like for you to give me back the first word that comes to mind. Yes? Yes. Yes? Yes. Yes? Yes. Yes. Okay. A lion. King of the jungle, that's me. Yep, me. Final answer. Okay. Iceberg. Iceberg. How you say iceberg? Iceberg. Sinking. Titanic. I'm gonna say New Faces of Death. No. Wait. Don't write that down. Don't write that down. No, not New Faces of Death. I mean, that could be a good answer too. The Bike Club. Yeah, Bike Club. Bike Club, do you mean to say bike? No, I'm pretty sure that's right. Bike Club. They're like bikes, like bicycle enthusiasts. Yeah, Bike Club. Yes, Bike Club. All right. Circle.
Square.
Up.
Down.
Fat. The Outlaw, Justin Caton. It seems a little harsh, yeah? Have you met the guy? One more. Gold. Oh, that's easy. Yacht Club. That checks out, yes. So we're going to move to a different phase of this evaluation. I'm going to hold up an ink blot. I would like you to tell me what you think you see in the picture. Ready? There we go. Number one.
Oh, this ought to be good.
That looks like that one time that Big Sally Buttafuoco power-bombed Blacklight. That was awesome. Indeed. Awesome. Yes. Okay. Number two. That's Devin Danger falling out of a coconut tree. Yes. Yes, a coconut tree. Okay. Yes. All right. Coconut tree. And these. That is Travis Alexander and the Bad Man smashing the crap out of the Stoner Brothers in 2 weeks for their first of many successful title defenses for the tag team championship. Yeah. Final answer. You know, Mr. Sinclair, Commodore, you need not end everything with final answer. It's not a game show.
Whatever, sizzle chest.
Look, Commodore, I'm gonna need you to try and take this more seriously. It's not going to go the way we all need it to go. We're working together here as a team, and we have one mutual goal here. Yes. Okay. Number 4. I'm afraid to ask. Oh, you got me there, Doc. Okay, look, that looks like when Jason Hastings does that thing when he's all and like grinds his stuff on the back of the other poor schmuck's head. Did I get that one right? Seriously, Mr. Sinclair. Commodore. Commodore. Yes, that right there. That is a picture of me celebrating the Yacht Club's first tag team title defense in the history of the Yacht Club. I'm drinking a frosty pina colada, and I'm smoking a big fat Presidente cigar on the deck of my frickin' yacht. Woo! Let's party! I think we're done here, Mr. Sinclair. No, that's it. I'm out. Thank you. You're an idiot. Wait, what? I'm an idiot? Is that your professional opinion? Where are you going? Did I pass?
I'm leaving. My mother warned me about this. She said I should have been a dentist. I don't get paid enough for this bullshit.